Hey there, in this video I will tell you how to order checks on the Chase app. Even in today's digital world, checks are still useful for payments, rent or important transactions. Ordering checks through the Chase app is simple. You can customize them to match your style. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log in to your Chase account using your username and password. Make sure you have the latest version of the Chase app for the best experience. Once you are in, navigate to your account settings, look for the order checks option. It's usually under your checking account details. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the available check designs and choose the one that fits your style. You can also customize details like your name and address. Before finalizing, review all the details carefully. Check your design, personalization and shopping method. Once everything looks good, confirm your order and you are done. And that's it. Your checks will be delivered to the address on file. If you need to track your order to make changes, you can always revisit the check ordering section in the app. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.